Hello guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this video I'll guide you that how you can create a WhatsApp account without your own phone number. Means you can create a free WhatsApp account on USA with UK number that is totally free and working. So first of all you have to download an amazing app that is Text Me. Open Play Store and search for the app Text Me. I have already installed this application on my phone. After installing the application, go back. Now you have to open that application. Set up accordingly. Now click on numbers. Get a first phone number. As all countries, you can select your own. I selected United States. Choose states from the United. Now click on Alabama. Here are the numbers. You can copy and create your WhatsApp account or any Telegram account with a free that is workingable trick. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel.